Hello and Merry Christmas to everybody. It's that time everybody's been waiting for is this Secret Santa. I went ahead and removed the name tag, but we are eager. We've been good boys. We've been waiting to open this here. It is now Christmas Eve, so let's go ahead and get her done. Grab our little tiny handy pocket knife. By the way, Ronnie, Deadpool just for you. Go ahead and open their little box up there. It's well taped there, I might add. Exciting. And one last side here. And we put our little pocket knife away. Find the hole, slide her in. Haven't seen what's in there yet. Excited. Hope y'all's ready to see this too. Awesome. Packing peanuts. We'll go ahead and reach in and find us a awesome couple items in here. Gift wraps. An awesome little stocking. Thank you. Dude, you're awesome. It's gonna make for a good little video. Hunt the packing peanuts. Later I'll spray paint them orange and just try to put them in the Cheetos bag. I think that's it. So what we're gonna do here, I'll put the box aside, put everything in the lap, and start with the little guy first here. Tape is awesome. I'm one of those ones who tries to save the wrapping papers. I don't know why, I just do. But we have here, this is like chopstick. Weapons grade lubricant. Ooh. I could actually probably use this on my pistol. That's gonna be awesome. I will definitely use that on the pistol. Yeah. Go for the. I'll tell you what. Let's handle the stocking because the stockings are awesome. I can hang this one up later. We have Christmas mix of Jelly Bellies. We have, ooh, heck yeah, a little Hot Wheels type car. 43 used to be old Richard Petty's number. Nice. What else here? Fell off. Ooh, a bottle opener. A beardy bottle opener. Or just put it right there. What do you think? Nice and heavy too. I have to find a place to put that. Might come in use, especially tonight. And he just keeps digging. Now, just by feeling here, if this is what I think it is, it goes great with the bottle opener. And it appears to be it is. Yeah. Erica, you can tell me what goes good with a bottle opener. Ooh, hell yeah. Homer Simpson. Shot glass. Definitely put that to use when I get home. So let me clean my lap up here a little bit. I'll put little dog treats in there tonight for the dog. Hey, more Hot Wheels. I love Hot Wheels. We have the Bat Pod. I believe it's the Dark Knight Rises. Or the Dark Knight. I don't have that one yet, but it'll look good next to the tumbler that Erica sent me. Put them right side by side. And of course, what else we got? Move up here. Looks like we're down to the big box here. The nice shiny little box. Do I dare? I'll upload this as quick as possible here. I got kind of good cell phone signal here, so I should be able to upload it at a decent rate. And let me tell you, dude, you rock when it comes to wrapping. I can't wrap this good unless it's on entire load of lumber. There's me trying to save the paper again. What do we think this is? Oh, idea. We just, oh heck, oh my goodness, a bait exclusive Cobra Commander. Dude, that is freaking awesome. I've never had a bait. I'm gonna have to get over there to shake your hand or do something, take you out to lunch or something there, because I'm sorry, that is going, staying in the box, but he's going right there on the dashboard. But I think that does it for now. I will have more unboxings soon. I wish every one of y'all and your family the best and merriest of Christmases. And keep in mind that we are all right here in our hearts. I love y'all like brothers and sisters. Merry Christmas, and I will talk to you online tonight.